Welcome to the kitchen. The basic method for making garlic bread with Parmesan and chives involves creating a flavored butter mixture and spreading it on bread, then baking it. Here is a common approach you can adapt. Ingredients: 1 loaf of French bread, Italian bread, or baguette. 1 2-cup, 1 stick or 113g, softened butter, salted or unsalted. 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, minced, adjust to your taste. 1 4 to 1 2-cup freshly grated Parmesan cheese, Parmigiano Reggiano is best. 2 to 4 tablespoons of fresh chives, finely chopped salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Optional. A tablespoon of fresh parsley, chopped, for color and flavor. Instructions: preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to around 350 F, 175 C. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or foil. Make the garlic butter mixture. In a small bowl, combine the softened butter, minced garlic, chopped chives, and Parmesan cheese. Season with salt and pepper. Mix well until everything is evenly incorporated. Prepare the bread. Slice the loaf of bread in half lengthwise, like opening a book. Spread the mixture. Evenly spread the garlic, Parmesan, and chive butter mixture over the cut surfaces of both bread halves. Bake, wrapped or unwrapped. For softer bread, wrap the loaf tightly in aluminum foil and bake for 10-15 minutes. For crispier bread, place the buttered halves cut side up on the prepared baking sheet and bake for 8 to 12 minutes. Finish, optional broil. For a slightly browned and bubbly topping, unwrap the bread, if wrapped, and/or switch the oven to the broiler setting for 1 to 2 minutes. Watch it closely as it can burn quickly. Serve. Slice the bread into portions and serve immediately while hot. Tools Gemini can make mistakes, including about people, so double check it. Your settings. Add any subtitle,